Next up, I'm gonna add some bacon crumbles. I just added my mini slices of pepperoni. Oh my God, how many times do I have to do that before I realize that there's always a little piece of thing in there. All right, so I'm just gonna space it around.
Looks really cool.
Space it around. Perfect. Next up, I'm going to add some restaurant style salsa. Hear this, hear this. Wow. All right. Again, mix it around just the edge. I'm going to do half, about one third. Next up, I'm going to add some, do you know what this is? Black olives. You're just gonna lightly spin this around. Okay, let me grab these out. Oh, while this is in there. All right, next up, I'm going to bring over my cutting board. I got some small little tomatoes. I believe they're called grape tomatoes. Fancy little things. All right, let me get 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm not gonna do too many because nobody wants a lot of tomatoes. Tomatoes are super good for men though. They help with testicular cancer.
Interesting.
Yes.
You like tomatoes?
No, but here we are. But again, I eat tomatoes because I have had loved ones pass away from testicular cancer.
Okay.
And this fruit is scientifically proven to help out with that. All right. This is my favorite dish that my grandmother passed on before she passed away. I just love the way that she would prepare it for us. Oh my God.
What a mess.
Hey, listen, what do I always say? If you're not in the kitchen and make a little bit mess, baby, you ain't do it right. She used to make this for us on Sunday morning when I was raised before we would go to church. She would make us a fresh bowl of this good, quick pasta. Does not need to be prepared in the oven or anything. The noodles do need to be cooked, but other than that, once those are good, everything is just mixed in and you can eat it within 10 minutes. It is so refreshing. I'm actually not going to add these other two because it looks like a little too much tomatoes, and that is grossing me out. All right, let me fix this, baby, because this is bothering me. All right, let me bring this bad boy back in here. Now that I have everything like this, I'm going to pull this out and drop
that looks
that
really cool.
in.
Look at that.
Let me go ahead and mix it for you guys.
It's almost done too, huh?
Once I'm done mixing, I mean, there's really nothing else to do. But there is a few more steps that I like, just that I have added over the years. My grandma would add olive oil, some lime. What the heck? Where does this keep on coming from, y'all? She would add some lime, olive oil, and salt, and that's how she would prepare it. Over the years, I have added some other things, kind of made it my own. All right, I have my country French salad dressing.
I've never tried that
so
before.
good. You ain't never tried this? I feel sorry for you because it's good.
Nice color. Is it spicy?
It's sweet and spicy.
Okay.
It's really good actually. All right, let's see if this is enough. Let's gently mix all of this up. See Kyra over there eyeing this because she likes pasta stuff like this. Known her for too long. I know she liked this type of stuff. All right. Next up, again, it's added, but I love it. I have some cilantro, fresh cilantro, imported from Mexico, specifically TJ. I only get my cilantro from Mexico, the best of the best. Yes, I am bougie like that, but that's how I know. That's how people know that when they come to my place and eat my food, child, they're ready for an experience, okay? Hold on, let me just get all these little pieces. Do you guys smell that?
It does smell really good.
Do you smell that? All right, now let's just mix all this in. All right. Ooh, my God, here I am spilling again. All right. Now that it's done, I'm gonna prepare myself a little sample, just so you guys can see the good that I have made. I'm gonna scrape off all this stuff, because all this is my ingredients. All right, here I have my fork and my spoon. I'm gonna put it in right here.
Cute little mason jar.
Cute mason jar. All right, here we go. I'm so excited. I miss my grandma a lot, so this reminds me of her all the time. Wow, I know she's watching down on me from heaven. This is so good. You guys try this, for real.